Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about tarot and manifestation again because I got some messages. Okay, I received some messages that you just asked me that tarot is real, or can we believe tarot's results? Okay, it's valuable, something like that. Okay, but before we start, I'm TG. I'm here to tell you about my success stories, tips and techniques that I'm using this manifestation period. And if you want the magic in your life, please subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications for not missing anything. And let's jump to the topic so quickly. Okay, and okay, what is tarot cards? Okay, tarot cards is basically telling you about a future, or telling you how unfolded your manifestation, or telling you the feelings of the others about you because you wonder about that and you ask for that, and basically choosing cards and creating some kind of future for you. Okay, and you know that actually this is related with your subconscious. Okay, in your subconscious you choose that card because there is kind of a belief that you can just say to yourself, yes, I'm okay, I'm good at I just feel that there is another girl and my SP just wants to choose that person over me, right? And in a tarot card, you see that card and you just suddenly realize that, yeah, it's correct, it's so correct. I just thought that, yes, it is your subconscious. Okay, you choose that card, so it's 100% sure that it's correct. Okay, you created it. Okay, so I'm gonna do it in front of you, so maybe you can just realize that you can use these cards, or you can use these tarot readers to understand what is in your subconscious, and then you can fix that thoughts. Okay, thoughts, or not thoughts, not thoughts, thoughts, I think. Okay, let's do like that. I'm gonna do it future, present, and past. Future, present, and past. I'm gonna choose about my specific person. Okay, and you're gonna see the difference. Okay, what's he's feeling about me. Okay, I wonder that one. This is past and this is present, and okay, this is future. Okay, let's see. See, all good. Okay, all the cards good. First, I just realized that I need to wait for a while because I need to rest, I need to heal myself. And then he comes on my way and he said that yes, and he made a plan about me actually, because Knight of Wands, it's very clever man. Okay, and he makes plans. And then we have King of Pentacles. Yeah, he's there is some kind of money things about, because my SP is rich. So this card shows me that. Okay, so see, this is how my subconscious. And if I choose his feeling cards, okay, just so sorry about that. And I choose his feelings card. Okay, and again I receive a letter. Okay, love letter or connection or communications, and I have butterfly because there is some kind of renewal or transformation in his life. And then we have a temple. Okay, and it says that yeah, he's awakening right now about me. Okay, this is my feeling about my SP, right? So actually I'm not gonna do for the negative part, because my subconscious is so clear. So I actually never choose a card that has negative meaning, because my subconscious is so clear and I can't think any bad thoughts about anyone. Okay, that's why I can do. But at first, when I first started, I fixed with these cards, okay? And second one, maybe you can just use these cards for creating your oracle, okay? And just say that, okay, just believe that the wheel just turns for my fate, and maybe we get united again, and we have a great family. And also, I'm gonna look at it. Yes, where is the, okay, all of my wishes come true with the stars. And also I need lower card for my oracle. Yeah, I can find it, but you got the motto, right? So you can use this card for creating your oracle, and you can say that, yes, I want this kind of future, okay? And you start believing it, okay? And then, because it's a good way to fix your subconscious, I think, and you just turns around all the negative thinking to positive thinking, because sometimes we cannot describe our bad thoughts, okay? That's why we never gonna solve our problem, right? It's like a spiral, and the events are creating again and again, okay? And we just said that, yeah, I just think positively, and what happens? Yeah, it's because of your subconscious beliefs, okay, that you never recognize before, right? So use this tarot card for understanding your subconscious beliefs and solve them in a good way, or turn them in a good way, okay? And that's it for me today. I hope that video helped you, and see you in my next video. If you like that video, please hit the like button, and bye bye.